Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1962 GMC Pickup. Very old-fashioned truck here we have at Skyway Classics, featuring a dark blue exterior with a silver interior. But going back to the exterior here, it features a 8-foot bed. Definitely one of the better trucks to have because you can move more than just a couch or even groceries, but you can fit basically a whole mattress back there. Even your friends, of course, back in the day, everybody liked to ride in the back of your truck versus the inside of the truck. For the inside, as you can see here, you got the really old style gauges. Just a little update, they did update the thermostat gauge. As you can see, we're only reading about a good 190, 195, which is very appropriate for this kind of vehicle, especially in this heat. You're lucky if you get that. Most of them run at 210, maybe even more, which is scary. But another add-on is you have the aftermarket style 2-knob radio. Still got the old-fashioned wheel with the good horn. As for your brakes are pretty good there. Of course, you got to remember some of these older vehicles are hard to stop, but once you drive them a little bit, you start to get the hang of it. But they're still fun to have to this day. But as for now, we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see the underneath.